pulling it the wrong way. Pulling it the wrong way. Yeah, bro, I think we're gonna leave this one for today. Looks pretty wet. What do you think, man?
Yeah, I think we should go over there.
Yeah, look at the nice rainbow. Oh, you can see that kind of. You see that nice little rainbow forming. I like it.
Watch you and make sure I crack a beer and roll something.
We're gonna head up that way, just over there. We're gonna have to come back to that one another day. There is a nice little stream down there, but as you saw, the conditions are absolutely terrible. And he's just got his gazelles on, so not for today, but we'll definitely have to revisit that in another video. So that's where we're going to be coming back down that way. We're just going to head over this way for now, but we are going to come back somewhere over there. Bro, that is one big puddle. Like, look at that, is as far as puddles go, that is pretty sizable. Nice spot for a little cricket pitch. Yeah, again, the boots coming in clutch, the gazelles not so much.
I do have some boots.
He does have some boots, but I didn't really properly tell him what he was letting himself in for today. I just kind of said, yeah, just make sure you bring some shoes that you don't mind getting muddy. But it has rained a lot. Luckily, we've been blessed with a nice bit of sunshine. That'd be a nice little spot for camping in the summer. Probably a bit too chilly at this time of year, but once you get to the summer, nicely sheltered off in a little bowl. Might have to come back here sometime. Don't slip, bro. There we go. Nice little pond. Is that a pond? I guess is the name a pond. I never know the difference between like a pond, a tarn, a lake, a massive puddle. Yeah, it could be a massive puddle.
Could just be a huge ditch.
Absolutely massive puddle. We have had a lot of rainfall recently, to be fair.
No, to be honest, bro, I think that is a massive puddle.
I don't think that's a massive puddle.
I don't know.
If it is one massive puddle. That sun is blinding right now. Cannot see a thing in front of me. Alright, so we're gonna get down there, get a little break from the wind, but I mean there is a path down here. Do you want to try it? It's fairly steep.
Can we get back up?
Well yeah, we can get back up down there, look. Nice and easy. Do you feel confident?
Yeah.
He feels confident. There he goes! There he goes! He felt confident. He felt confident. Oh, what an idiot, bro. That was fucking great. Nice and muddy. Nice and muddy. Let's get that. Oh, yeah. Should we go the other way? There he is, taking the safe route now. Funny little rock formation is that. There we go, Bronte Falls. That's what we're going to do another day. That's what we came here to do, but because he didn't have the right footwear on, we decided to do something else. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like. There is going to be a new video every Thursday. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.